Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your Sprint iPhone 6s. Hello there and welcome to Cellular Pros. In this channel we do tech reviews and tutorials, so if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you're interested in making an extra $1,000 per week working part-time hours from your phone, then check out the video link in the description. Let's get right to the video now. Alright, so here we have Sprint iPhone. As you can see, it's reading the Sprint service up here. I have it connected to Wi-Fi as well. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that you can use it on another carrier. So for example, what happens is when you have a locked phone, let's go ahead and remove the Sprint SIM card. Let's put that right here. And let's get the T-Mobile SIM card, which I have here on the side. So this is what happens when you try and insert a SIM card from another carrier on your Sprint iPhone. It automatically goes to this screen that says activation required, and you have to try and activate the phone with the SIM card that you installed. When the phone is unlocked, it will not do this. It will just stay on your home screen and try and pick up signal. So let's hit try again. Connect to Wi-Fi first. There we go. It says SIM not supported. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to unlock it so that you can start using it on another carrier. So let's put the phone down for a second. I'm going to put the T-Mobile SIM card right here. And this is what we're going to be using to unlock the phone. It's this tiny small black chip. It's a unlock SIM card. It's super thin. Alright, we're going to place it in here like this with the little part that sticks out under the metal SIM card tray, and place it in there correctly like this. And then we're going to get the same SIM card that you want to use. So I'm going to use this T-Mobile SIM card again. Place it right on top of it, so it's going to look like this. And place it in the iPhone gently. There you go. Very simple. Okay, so once again, it's going to go here to the activation required screen. Okay, so if you hit try again, it's going to say SIM not supported once again. So here what we're going to do is we're going to hit the home button. We're going to hit emergency call. And here we're going to type in *5005 *7672 *0 £, and then hit the dial button. So this right here is going to show up. You're going to scroll down to edit ICCID. Okay, and then here we're going to type in 8901 4103 2795 2915 5450, and then hit send. Okay, so it's going to say setup okay. Here, hit accept. And then now we're going to have to restart the phone. So power the phone off. And the good thing here is that you only have to use that code one time. And then as long as you leave your SIM card with the unlock chip in there, the phone will stay unlocked. So once you're ready, power the phone back on. There we go. So it's going to say activation required once again. We're going to swipe and connect to Wi-Fi once again, but it should already be connected. So go ahead and hit next. And there we go. It picked up the signal. It says T-Mobile. Looks like we have to do this. I'm going to set up Touch ID later. Don't add passcode. Continue. Get started. The iPhone is unlocked. You can use it normally now. It's reading the T-Mobile SIM card. It's picking up service. And now you can disconnect from Wi-Fi if you want. And it's gonna still have signal. Let's go ahead and check the data so you see that even the data works. Let's go to Google. There you go. So the phone is unlocked. Let's try and make a test phone call.
Welcome to Comcast, home of expect.
So as you can see, you're able to make phone calls and use data right away as long as the SIM card that you put in is activated. And like I said, the good thing is that you can use any other SIM card that you wish to use once your phone is GSM unlocked. So, and you're only going to have to put the code in once. So for example, I'm going to take off the T-Mobile SIM card, place it down, and let's get, for example, this AT&T SIM card. I'm going to place the AT&T SIM card in here. Usually it would go to the activation screen once again. There you go, activation required. So you're going to slide to unlock, hit next. But like I said, you're not going to have to press the code in anymore. So it's going to automatically bypass this and unlock the phone. There you go. So once you put in the code in once with your unlock chip will continue working. But what is recommended is that you leave the unlock chip with your SIM card in there and don't take it out so that your phone can continue on being unlocked. Because over time, Apple may do updates on their system, and if it tries to activate, it might not activate completely. But once your SIM card is in there like it is now, if I leave it in here, the phone will stay activated as long as I don't take it out. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video on how to unlock your iPhone from Sprint. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. It really helps us out a lot. And I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.